So here's my Tandy 1400 LT computer. I want to say circa 1987, 88. I'm not sure. You guys let me know down in the comments. I did disassemble it. Uh, I don't think it had ever been disassembled before because uh, there's hidden screws on each of these mounting brackets for the screen, and it doesn't look like it had ever been removed. So I looked in there to check the CMOS battery because supposedly it explodes, and ruins the circuit board. So I just want to make sure that didn't happen, and it was okay. So I reassembled it. When I did, the keyboard didn't work correctly. Uh, that was my fault because there's a bracket for all the lights there, and I accidentally uh, put it underneath the keyboard circuit board, and it was shorting out the keyboard. So after a while, I figured that out, and then I put it in the right place, so the keyboard works fine. Um, a little disappointed in the screen. It's backlit, but not very well, and not getting a good picture of it there, but it's okay. It's readable. Um, it's got two 700, and I think they're 720K floppies. I made some discs. I'll just reuse some old discs that I had from I think this is from like early 90s, maybe the late 80s. I don't remember. This has got FreeDOS on it. Hang on. Which I'm running on my desktop. That's how I made the disc. So just loaded FreeDOS on this computer, formatted a disk 720K because this thing did not come with any discs, and I don't have MS-DOS, and I wasn't particularly interested in using MS-DOS. FreeDOS works just fine. It's free, FreeDOS. It's available on the internet. Um, Covering up the camera there. Sorry. On this disk, this was Microsoft Quick Basic for the focus there. Oh, well, for the Apple Macintosh, it's blurry, but I didn't need that anymore, so I rewrote over that. Put QBasic on this, and I'm testing out some of the graphic files that I created with my 600 XL, and I wanted to see if I could load those up on this machine like I did with the Commodore 128. And pressing run. See it accessing this drive there. And sure enough, it works. So I have transportable graphic files that I can use to when I convert this game from the Atari to the Commodores to the Tandy color computer to MS-DOS computers. And I really didn't need this computer to to write it on an MS-DOS machine. It's just it's more, I don't know, uh, fun to write it on the actual hardware. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm attempting to do anyway. And guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm not much of an electronics guy. I can mess around with it a little bit. I can solder minimally. I'm hoping to get a solder station and that you can control the temperature with to do some more intricate soldering, and a magnifying glass so I can see what I'm doing. Other than that, then I can do some more, probably maybe interesting videos. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. and I'll keep you updated on the game as it progresses and on the machines that it's going to run on. All right, guys. This is Scott, Scott Animation. Thumbs up if you want to, and subscribe would be appreciated. And I'll talk to you guys later.